Yun naman yung pinaka-importante, makarecover dun sa situation na medyo natatalo kami. So, yung situation na makarecover kami sa 2, 3, and 4 na makalaking bagay. Siyempre, total talaga, yung total ng points ng team distribute talaga ngayon. So, group effort yung nangyari today. So, thankful kami sa mga players na nag-contribute talaga sila sa game.
Thank you, Coach. And for Coco, you guys came off a loss to Zeus Coffee and then you guys dropped the first set. But can you talk about how you guys managed to recover and eventually get this win against Cherry?
Yeah, I think we're still working out. We tried to do lineup tonight. We're working on some things. I think everybody made a big impact when they came in too, so that was huge for us.
Thank you. And for Nika, ito yung siguro first game na talaga nababad ka and ang daming contributions for team lines. Pero ano lang din yung feeling na ito nakatulong ka and helping that you get this win?
Hanggang sa feeling na nakatulong ako sa team kasi I've been trying to find ways kung paano ako makakatulong and of course sobrang grateful ako sa guidance ng mga ate, sa lahat ng team, sa lalo pa sa loob ng court and syempre grateful ako sa iwala ni Coach na bigay sa akin.
Thank you. Requires open for questions.
Coach, ano po yung reason siguro sa pag-convert niyo kay Tots to outside ngayon and sa limited minutes din po niya sa game?
Medyo konti lang naman yung adjustment. Siyempre nandiyan pa rin naman yung yun nga, depende dun sa magiging situation ng game kasi talagang marami pang combination yung team namin para makalaban talaga dun sa mga team na gusto talagang mag-champion ngayon. So ngayon at least marami kami option about sa positioning. So maybe depende sa game kung sino na sa loob, Tots or Alyssa is the same lang naman. So let's see na lang sa mga susunod talaga.
Pero healthy naman po sila.
Yes, ayun yung ano namin. Yun yung number 1 priority is healthy. Especially Tots na galing talaga sa injury, then Alyssa nandyan na palagi. So thankful kami, healthy kami ngayon.
And for Nika, just general feeling of playing extended minutes today and really making a significant impact in this game.
Honestly, I don't know. Parang ang gaan lang sa feeling, pero I didn't expect any of this. Parang for me, trabaho lang talaga. I just have to focus and perform. So, magana sa pakiramdam.
And for Coco, the 2 imports that have beaten you so far, both Americans, Annie Mitchell and Anna Di Vera, a familiar opponent for you as well. So now that you're starting to really feel the competition, is there a sense of urgency for you as well to pick up the pace and do even more to sustain Creamline's winning form so far?
I don't think there's urgency to do more. I think it's just got to stay where I am and keep the course. And it's fun. I'm excited about it. I love high competitive level volleyball, so I'm excited to keep playing at that level.
Coach, nanalo po kayo pero meron kayong 28 errors na naibigay. Paano lang minimize natin yung errors moving forward?
I think yung sa adjustment namin medyo hindi pa ganun ka familiarization ng starter, pero I think masusolusyonan namin about sa errors. Siyempre, medyo adjust kami sa position kay Tots. So siguro yun yung cause ng mga errors. Pero importante naman makarecover sa ibang skills, hindi lang na matitignan yung errors.
Anika, paano ka lang nag-stay patient given nga na you waited for this moment na of course maka-help ka rin sa team na?
How did I stay patient?
Yes.
Honestly, hindi ko masyadong naisip yun kasi parang for me talagang I have to work. I know kung gaano kabig yung team na napasukan ko. I know the work that I have to put in and I know na I still have to keep working. So parang yun lang yung mentality ko ngayon na I can't be too happy with how I'm performing kasi I have to do more.
Can I say something to that too? I think it's about her and how she's been, I don't know, every day in practice she's very focused on getting better and she's very diligent and you can tell that she's focused on the things that she needs to do better. So like, I'm very happy for her that she had a really good game because she deserves it after the hard work that she's put in.
Any comment on that, Nika?
Thank you, Coco. I didn't know that you know this, but thank you.
Coco, 29 points. Of course, we believe that you've played top 3 in Pool B, so how are you approaching these games moving forward?
Kind of with the same mentality, gotta get better, gotta find different ways to score. I think every team also has seen us play now, so they know what we're capable of, so always finding new ways or finding what works against each team. So studying the next team and figuring out what we can do against them.
Coach, more importantly, itong panalo na to nag-put kayo sa top 3 ng Pool B. Kano malaking bagay lang din yun na knowing na kumbaga kano hirap din itong pool na to for you guys?
I think yung both bracket naman sobrang hirap, especially sa bracket namin. Pero yung bracket sa kabila talagang all din, may talo din lahat. So magandang labanan ngayon talaga yung conference. So talagang sino talaga yung magiging healthy hanggang dulo, siguro medyo lamang. Pero nandun naman kami. Magiging competitive pa yung laban. So sana wala may injury talaga para mas competitive talaga yung mga laban.
Thank you, Coach. Thanks, Nika. Thank you, Coco. Congrats on the win.